So the way you bend them is the opposite way to the way the necklace goes. Ow. Out of frame. It's medium at best at the moment, but it will be better. That's what we're going with.
It's going to look in
Yeah.
Give it a whirl.
I'm going to try it that way.
I'll even put the light on for you so you can see what you're doing.
Thanks, it's nice. Medium. Not too bad. I'll cut the end with my snips, maybe. Why did it do that then? I can understand. It doesn't, it only cuts to about there, so I've got a good cut to there, and then I now I've got two bits of sheet.
Would you want to give this a whirl? And I'll see, there'll be some more sheet down there, okay?
Yeah. We've got this, I spent years.
Okay, right, do you think I'll go with some
Oh, geez.
yeah.
better. That was easier. Now I've got to remember, so I've done my lines that side, and those are where I'm going to cut it later to create the hinges. So I'll take the middle out of one side, and then the next piece I'll take the end pieces out, and then it should swap together like that. Like that, like a hinge, and then it'll have a rivet that drops down through it. So I need to make sure that I can see those lines. Hopefully after I have moulded this around, I'll be able to see the lines and I'll be able to cut straight down it rather than trying to do the lines after I've rounded it, which will make life more difficult, I think. We will see. Okay, so these I'm going to take home to test eroding them. So I'm going to leave one in salt water, one out in the rain, and I might try burning one and then dunking it in oil and stuff. So I'm going to test basically my finish, the surface finishes that I'm going to use on the final piece.
Tight, possibly too tight.
Epic! Woo! Nice, thank you. Where did you find these?
Jewellery cupboard, don't tell me.
I like them a lot. Look, put it out. Oh, Jim, that's fun!
Oh, babe, that's awesome!
Epic! I'll say that into the lyrics. Good. Woohoo! Look, that's a little bit winky wonky.
Oh my god, literally, I will never be satisfied.
I'll have to do it again. I 100, this will be alright, it's like... Just cut it off and shut up.
It's not gonna fit. Stop being stupid.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, you've got
not that.
this isn't too bad, but it could be a bit more round. Give you a bit more space. But also, I imagine it's good if it is like a bit restricting, because that sort of adds to the. It doesn't feel tight. You've got a tiddly neck anyway.
Ooh, better do that bit, no, I better find something to do that now. Got the beads under control, got my wire out, I need to go do my cross for there, and I don't know what I'm going to do about
So
my
you're
ring.
gonna make the chain bit.
Yeah, chain out of silver. Yeah.
What's the womb gonna be? Well, what are these materials?
Yeah, that's brass is the golden material, and that's copper.
No, it's
just, I can just solder them together. right?
Sweat solder that onto
Then how
on
do
top. And then is this going to be the cross?
The cross is steel. How should I do that? Just had an idea. Can I can
soldering-
rivart. I want to rivart it on.
You could rivart all
I'll
three.
solder those two and then rivart the three of them together because he's on the cross anyway. So if he's
I was
got
going to
little
say,
things,
I don't think you can solder onto steel anyway, can you?
No.
So yeah, so you'd have to rivart.
A rivart will look really good.
Basically turn the rib cage into the sharp object.
workshop is a complete and utter disgusting mess, obviously, and so's my face. Get used to it. It's only going to get worse. Please don't unfollow me because I'm ugly. So, let's say if I have that much sticking out the bottom to put a hole through to attach the chain that side, then to rivet it. I'm not sure how much I need, but I guess if I'm only riveting one end, if I ended up with too much the other end, I could always just trim a bit more off, couldn't I? So I've got my jaws in place. I'm going to quickly anneal the end of this with a plumber's torch. Hopefully that'll be powerful enough. And then put it in my vise and start whacking. It is thickening, isn't it? To heat it again just to make sure that it's not going to split, because that's what I'm worried about. That's actually getting there, it's not far off. So that is actually working. Obviously you can't see it very well at the moment because it's kind of grubby, but I mean that will work, but I'd kind of like it a little bit chunkier, so I'm thinking if I hammer it on that edge to push it back a little bit and then do more tapping around the edge on top, that might make it fatter. Of course it might completely bugger it and I might have to start again, but only time will tell. Let's do another experiment. Oh, that's really good, look. Shiny. Right, there's no way that's falling through. So that is my nice lump of brass on the top there. I think if I try to go any bigger, I'm going to have real problems with cracks. The hole was formed around a 6mm bar, and this brass bar is 5mm, so it's got just enough room to move and enough material to make a rivet. I tried it with 4mm, it didn't work. I mean, I think that's going to have to be the size of it. I think that's really good. I really like the contrast of the shiny brass against the kind of distressed steel. I'm actually leaving the steel like that. I might even go over it again, heat it, because that's basically the scale from forging. When I forge the steel, that's what's left on it if you don't clean it up, you don't put any other finish off it on it. And as part of my design, I really like that kind of imperfect surface. Yes, that's it, look. Nice. I'm so incredibly pleased with my steel and brass neck piece so far. It looks exactly how I envisaged it, and it just goes to show that putting in all that work into test pieces and testing techniques and materials really does go a long way to help your final piece.